Hi students, let us start with our chapter 28, distance formula. So, in order to find the distance between two given points, so let us consider the points as A and B. So, A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. So, we'll get a figure, we can draw it like this, okay. So, we have a triangle ABC, that is a right angle triangle, okay. ABC is the right angle triangle. So, from the figure it's clear to us what is AC. AC will be equal to, this whole thing is x2, right? x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. And what is BC? BC will be equal to this whole part. This whole is y2, correct? Whole thing is y2. So if you want only, this will be y1. This will be y1. So what will be this? y2 minus y1, right? So you can write it as AC is equal to x2 minus x1. Similarly, BC equal to y2 minus y1. So, using Pythagoras theorem, we have here, using Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AC square plus BC square, correct? So, what is AB? AB is equal to root of, what is that? AC is what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So that is the distance. So therefore the distance between two given points, what were our given points? x1 y1 and x2 y2 is equal to root of x1 minus x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so this difference between the abscissa and the plus the difference between the ordinates, square of the ordinates. Okay, so today let me start with the exercise 28. Let us do few questions, then you will get a clear idea. Okay, so exercise 28. First main, distance between the following pair of points. Okay, the first one is minus 3, 6 and 2 minus 6. So how do I do? Distance is equal to root of, I'll directly substitute x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. So I'll start with x1. That is, this is my x1, y1. x2, y2. Okay. So minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus of minus 6 whole square. So what you get? Minus 5 the whole square plus 6 plus 6, 12 the whole square. 5 square is 25 plus 144 equal to root of 169 equal to 13. Okay. This is how we solve distance formula. Coming to the second one, minus A minus B and A B. Okay, similar way, it's equal to minus A whole square plus minus B the whole square. Minus 2A the whole square plus minus 2B the whole square. It's equal to 4A square plus 4B square equal to 4 can be taken common, right? A square plus B square. So 2 times A square plus B square will be our answer. Okay. Similar way you can do the next two questions. Correct. Now let me do the second main. It's given in the second main. So in the second main we have, find the distance between the origin and the point. What will be the origin? Origin will be always 0, 0. Okay. So what's the first question? We have minus 8, 6. So what will be the other point? 0, 0. Right. So distance will be equal to minus 8 minus 0. That is minus 8 the whole square plus 6 square. Okay. That is equal to 64 plus 36. Right. Minus 8 plus, that is equal to 0, 100. Root of 100 equal to 10. Similarly, the second question we have minus 5 minus 12. Again, root of minus 5 the square plus minus 12 the square. It's equal to root of 25 plus 144 equal to root of 169 equal to 13. Hope it's clear. Okay. Now let me do the third main. Rest of left out questions people can do it yourself. Coming to the third main. Distance between the point 3, 1 and 0x is 5. Find x. So how can we solve it? We can directly do it like this. 3 minus 0 the whole square plus 1 minus x the whole square equal to 5. Correct? So root of. So you get root of 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 minus x, that is a minus b the whole square. 1 square plus x square minus 2x equal to 5. So you'll get it as root of x square minus 2x plus 10 equal to 5. Now taking out the root, you will get x square minus 2x squaring. You need to squaring on both sides. 2x plus 10 equal to 25. So you get it as x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So you need the product as minus 15 and sum as minus 2. So you can easily take it as x square, that is minus 5 and plus 3. Correct? Minus 5 plus 3. So x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. X is common. X minus 5 plus 3 again x minus 5 equal to 0. So you get it as x minus 5 is common into x plus 3 equal to 0. Right? You get either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. So you can write as x equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 3. Okay. So this is how you find the value of x. Let me start with the fourth question. So in the fourth question we have, let me read the question first. Find the coordinate of the points on the x-axis. So let coordinate on x-axis. On x-axis means we can consider only x will be there. Y will remain as 0. x0. And the other point is given to you as 11 minus 8. Distance between them is equal to 17 units. So let us solve that. So x minus 11 square plus 0 minus of minus, that is 8 square equal to 17. So we have root of x square plus 121 minus 22x plus 64 equal to 17. So you have x square minus 22x plus 185 equal to 17. Taking the square. So squaring on both sides, you will get x square minus 22x plus 185 equal to square of this 17 square is 289. So you get x square minus 22x minus to this side you will get 104. Okay. So minus 104 you are getting equal to 0. So your sum is minus 22 and product is equal to minus 104. So what are the two numbers such that you get the sum is minus 22 and product is 104. Let us check with that. So you get it. So you can take it as minus 26 and 4. Okay, minus 26 into 4 will give you minus 104 and minus 26 plus 4 will give you minus 22. So x square minus 26x plus 4x minus 104 equal to 0. X is common, x minus 26 plus 4 is common, x minus 26 equal to 0. X plus 4 into x minus 26 equal to 0. X plus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 26 is equal to 0. So you can take either x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to 26. So your value can be either, only x value we found, right? x0 it is. So your answer will be either 4-0 or 26-0. Okay, this is how you represent x. Okay, now coming to the fifth question. So what is there in your fifth question? Just see. Fifth one, yeah. Fifth one you have, find the coordinate of the point on y-axis. Okay, so point on y-axis, how can I consider? Point on y-axis will be equal to 0y. Okay, point on y-axis will be 0y. So the point distance is given as 10 and the distance between which two points? Minus 8 and 4. So how do I do it? I can solve it like this. 0 minus of minus 8, that is 0 plus 8 whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square equal to 10. So you get it as root of 64 plus y square plus 16 minus 8x equal to 10. So you get it as root of y square minus 8x, 16 plus 64 is equal to plus 80 equal to 10. So you get it as root of y. Okay, let me square them first. So squaring them, I'll get squaring this, I'll be getting it as y square minus 8x plus 80 equal to 100. Y square minus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. So you get as y square. Your product should be equal to minus 20 and sum is equal to minus 8. What are the difference? You can take it as minus 20 and minus 8 you have. Okay. So, product sum. So, if product is minus 20, I can take it as 10 into 2. So, it is minus 10 and plus 2 I can take, right? So, minus 10x plus 2x minus 20 equal to 0. Y is common. Y minus not 10 x, it's y. Okay, everywhere it's y, sorry. So y is common, so 10 plus 2 into y minus 10 equal to 0. So you get as y plus 2 into y minus 10 equal to 0. So y plus 2 is equal to 0 or y minus 10 equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 2 or y is equal to plus 10. So how do I write my final value? 0 minus 2 or 0, 10. Okay. Hope it's clear to you all. Similar way, try doing the few more questions from this exercise. Okay. Thank you, students.